Hi, today I'm making Baigan Bharta. Make a few cuts on the brinjal. Insert garlic cloves in the cuts.
I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, let the squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more.
Grease the brinjal with oil.
Keep that indoors when we're throwing down, oversized jumper with our underwear out. Like they're bringing anything to the table.
Roast it on medium flame.
I do my own bits, limited edition, no some missing classic shit. I know that you're feeling it. First time, I'm proud of my selfish decisions. Couple people did me dirty, but I'm clean. Ain't even mad proof, karma is a B. We all do bad things, when it comes back, it bites up.
Let's see the ingredients needed. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 big onion chopped, ½ tablespoon cumin, 4 garlic cloves and 3 green chilies, 2 tomatoes chopped, ½ tablespoon garam masala, salt according to taste.
You soon will or you won't. If you know, then you know. And if you don't, then you don't. You soon will or you won't. Listen up, cause I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down.
Peel the skin when brinjal is roasted.
I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, keep that indoors when we're throwing down.
Chop the brinjal finely.
I'm on the sound, hoodie season, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around, no more summer bounce, little squeeze out, keep that indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out.
Add cumin seeds and hot oil. Add chopped garlic. Add chopped onion. Cook till it's light brown. Add turmeric powder. Add coriander powder. Add salt. Add chopped green chilies. Add chopped tomatoes. Add garam masala. Add smashed brinjal. Cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Serve hot with roti paratha or min.